Hola, me llamo Marianela. Today, you learn to greet and to respond to common greetings. Let's begin. To say hi to someone in Spanish, say hola. Note that the H is silent. Hola. An informal common greeting is ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal means what's up? ¿Qué tal literally translates to what's such? But as we know, not everything can be translated into its literal meaning. Let's practice. Repeat after me. ¿Qué tal? Great job. To say hello, how are you? Say hola, ¿cómo estás? Let's break it down. Hola means hello. ¿Cómo means how. ¿Estás means are you. In this case, the pronoun you is implicit in the verb. Time to practice. ¿Cómo estás? Awesome. Estás means you are when it appears in sentences, or are you when it appears in questions. However, in cases like ¿cómo estás?, you don't see a word for you. Why? Because the pronouns are not necessary with most Spanish verbs. Estás is a form of the verb that already includes you. Let's try how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Great job. To say good morning, say buenos días. Buenos días can be used in both formal and informal contexts to greet people in the mornings. Buenos means good. Días means days. Let's practice. Buenos días. Great job. A common phrase used between noon and sunset is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. Buenas means good. Tardes means afternoons. Repeat after me. Buenas tardes. Good job. Are you wondering when to use buenos and when to use buenas? That's a great question. Buenos and buenas both mean good. However, they have a different gender and a different number. We choose buenos or buenas depending on the noun that they are describing. Buenas has a gender that is feminine and a number that is plural. It takes the AS ending, so it is used with feminine plural nouns, like in buenas tardes. Buenos has a gender that is masculine and a number that is plural. It takes the OS ending, so it is used with masculine plural nouns, like in buenos días. Here is a tip. Most feminine nouns end in A. This makes días look feminine because it ends in A. However, it is actually masculine. It is an exception of the rule. Let's practice. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Great job. Buenas noches means both good evening or good night. You can use this phrase to greet people after dark or when going to bed or saying goodbye. Buenas means good. Noches means evenings or nights. Buenas noches means good evening or good night. Let's try. Buenas noches. Awesome. Having fun? You can actually practice with me right now on the Parrot app. Just click on the link below or go to parrotlanguages.com. You can talk to me whenever you want. See you at parrotlanguages.com. Now let's go into the drill. Let's practice these common lines. Repeat after me. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Tú. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás tú? Hoy. ¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal estás? ¿Qué tal estás hoy? ¿Todo? ¿Qué tal todo? Buenos días. Buenos días. Tardes. Buenas tardes. Noches. Buenas noches. ¿Qué? ¿Qué tal? Buenos días, ¿qué tal? Buenos días, ¿qué tal todo? Buenas, ¿qué tal? Buenas, ¿qué tal todo? Buenas tardes, ¿qué tal? Buenas tardes, ¿qué tal todo? Buenas noches, ¿qué tal? Buenas noches, ¿qué tal todo? ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? Buenas noches, ¿cómo estás? Alright, time for something more challenging. Try translating what I say in English to Spanish. Hello. How? You are. You. Hello, how are you? How are you? Today? How are you today? What's up? How are you? How are you today? Everything? How is everything? You're almost finished. Keep going. Good. Days. Good morning. Afternoons. Good afternoon. Evenings or nights. Good evening. What? What's up? Good morning. What's up? Good morning. How is everything? Good day. What's up? Good day. How's everything? Good afternoon. What's up? Good afternoon. How is everything? Good evening. What's up? Good evening. How is everything? How? Are or are you? Good morning. How are you? Good afternoon. How are you? Good evening. How are you? Now let's keep going with the upcoming lessons. See you soon. Let's continue this inside the Parrot app. Just click on the link below or go to parrotlanguages.com. I've got a lot of useful and interesting tips for you. See you at parrotlanguages.com.